On 115.
It's 14 off.
Come on, let's go down. Let's go down.
I can't see.
Outlaw Speedway, Pike County, and these are all feature winter stickers. But guess what? I stopped putting them on here because this car already had so many stickers. I didn't want it to be stickered up with all my wins. So we just did just the tracks that we've been to.
So that's the name.
So this represents how many different tracks? So let's count them. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different tracks. That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right, so let's back up on the concrete. I'm going to tell you guys a few.